The color is so elegant. Really, it's like a very very beautiful degree of navy blue. Yeah, but let's see if there is another color for the upper part. But the thing is, I don't know if like everyone is wearing blue. It's okay, Milas. I will tell you something. If you see three girls wearing the same dress, each girl will look different. Like for sure, like each one has her own hairstyle, own makeup. Yes. What do you have for that top? Another thing, another color. Maybe lighter degree of
word is
Can you give us choices? Give us choices. No, it's so.
pen. The next word
You know what I'm
is
thinking?
lamp.
You can make it Sata. Only Sata. With this, it can be Sata. This one
Lamp.
only. Yes, so. Yeah, you want something. I want like the same discourse. With glitter. Yeah,
Your word
you can
is
put.
mastermind.
You can put all here. Yes, ma'am. So I just wanted to examine
Your word is YouTube.
Yeah, that you have to shop on and show you.
YouTube.
Three layers for the lower part. This one you use it only here in
The next
part
word is
between the upper
share.
and lower. Yeah. But you know, I don't know if I should like look for more or just like no, I like it. No,
Share.
but it's not about looking for many things.
Butterfly.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, and I saw the dresses down. I'm just showing both of
The
you.
next word is
I'm trying to
sandcastle.
convince her not to go to another place because she said she'll look for another and come back maybe. I told her no, just
Sandcastle.
take this one. This, how much the price would be? So, right now for me, not for you, Rina. You're the one who chose the dress. I am the one who will negotiate.
Mami, nahinaan mo po yung TV. May nag-spelling kami dyan. Nahanaan mo po yung TV. Spelling
So, you should go here. Yeah, come here. You see? Okay. So,
We should...
The next word is toy.
So let's go to check the phone. Okay guys,
Please
now we are
spell
going down to see the phone because we should check the phone that we are going to
Please
insert
spell
on the dress.
stop.
We will see.
Stop.
So we are going now down to see the famous choices.
Your word
Are you happy
is
now?
fast.
Yeah, but I'm still stressed because I hope it will look good at the end. What?
Fast.
I want it to look good at the end. Okay, so let's go.
Your word is ice cream.
So,
Ice cream. Your word is red.
yan po.
The next word is bottle. Your word is turtle.
Aba, pinapakuha nga kita.